Hey guys, welcome to USA Market. Digital calipers have revolutionized the precision measurement industry, offering accuracy, ease of use, and versatility in a single handheld device. These sophisticated instruments are indispensable tools across various fields, from engineering and manufacturing to science and hobbyist pursuits. Unlike traditional vernier calipers, digital calipers provide precise readings displayed on an electronic screen, eliminating the need for manual interpretation and minimizing the potential for errors. Their ability to measure dimensions with exceptional accuracy, often down to thousandths of an inch or hundredths of a millimeter, makes them indispensable for tasks demanding meticulous precision. Whether used in industrial settings for quality control, in laboratories for scientific research, or by enthusiasts for crafting and deep projects, digital calipers offer unparalleled convenience and reliability. In this guide, we'll explore the top 5 digital calipers currently available, highlighting their features, performance, and suitability for various applications. Number 5. Mitutoyo 500-196-20 Digital Caliper. As a seasoned metalworker and enthusiast, I've had the pleasure of putting the Mitutoyo 500-196-20 Digital Caliper through its paces, and I must say, it has exceeded my expectations in almost every aspect. First and foremost, accuracy is paramount in any measuring instrument, and the Mitutoyo 500-196-20 doesn't disappoint. With an impressive accuracy of 0.01 mm or 0.0005 for those who prefer imperial measurements, I found it to be incredibly reliable whether I'm measuring small components for intricate projects or larger pieces for structural work. The digital display is clear and easy to read, providing measurements quickly and accurately. The resolution of 0.01 mm ensures that even the most minute differences in size are detected, allowing for precise adjustments and fittings. Number 4. Shahe 5150 Digital Caliper. The Shahe 5150 Digital Caliper is a precision instrument designed for accurate measurements in metalworking and other DE applications. With its impressive features and solid construction, this caliper stands out as a reliable tool for professionals and enthusiasts alike. The digital display with a resolution of 0.01 mm or 0.0005 inch provides clear and easy-to-read measurements, allowing users to work with confidence. The IP54 waterproof rating ensures durability and reliability, even in challenging working environments, adding to the caliper's longevity. Number 3. Shahe 5112-150 Digital Caliper. The Shahe 5112-150 Digital Caliper is a precision instrument designed for accurate measurements in metalworking and various DE projects. As someone who frequently works with metal and requires precise measurements, I found this digital caliper to be an indispensable tool in my workshop. One of the standout features of the Shahe 5112-150 is its impressive accuracy of 0.03 mm, which ensures that even the most delicate measurements can be taken with confidence. This level of precision is essential for tasks where accuracy is paramount, such as machining components or fabricating intricate parts. Number 2. AIRAJ 1501 Digital Caliper. The AIRAJ 1501 Digital Caliper is a precision tool designed to meet the demands of woodworking enthusiasts and professionals alike. As a proud owner of this caliper, I have found it to be an indispensable addition to my workshop arsenal. Here's why. Accuracy. One of the standout features of the AIRAJ 1501 is its impressive accuracy of 0.01 mm. This level of precision ensures that I can make accurate measurements consistently, whether I'm working on intricate woodworking projects or performing general DE tasks. Number 1. YIYOUBAO ET50 Digital Caliper. The ET50 Digital Caliper boasts a sleek and ergonomic design, making it comfortable to hold and operate for extended periods. The stainless steel construction feels robust and durable, ensuring longevity even in demanding workshop environments. The clear LCD display is easy to read, with large digits that provide precise measurements at a glance. The ET50 excels in terms of functionality, offering essential features that streamline the measuring process. The zero function allows for easy calibration, ensuring accurate readings for each measurement. Additionally, the ability to switch between metric and imperial units adds convenience, catering to different project requirements. Thank you guys.